Alright, so we're in the shop today. We're going to do a comparison of the stock Vstar 950 exhaust along with the Cobra Slip-On and let you hear the difference, see what you think. Come along, won't you? Yes. This is a high quality audio recording. It's recommended to use headphones or studio monitors. My pipes have already been drilled out with a 1-inch hole saw, and there's a lot of videos already out there showing you how to do it. But you'll hear a big difference. So we're going to start today by taking off the muffler right there at that point at the clamp that holds the slip-on in place. Next thing we're going to do is remove the 2 factory bolts that hold the slip-on, marked in blue right there. So we'll be using the Tascam DX05 today, and we'll be leaving the microphone at the same distance for both tests. Come along, won't you? Okay, so it's really only going to take a 6mm hex for the clamp up here, and it's going to take an 8mm to get these bolts out down on the bottom. There's 2 of those. Then you'll take the 14 bolt, put it up to the hole here, slip one of the nuts up in there, and then you'll tighten up the clamp bolt right here at the front of the exhaust. Oh yeah, there it is. Looking good. So here we are with the factory exhaust. Cobra exhaust, start and idle. Factory exhaust, idle and rev up. Cobra exhaust, start and rev. Factory exhaust, slow on the road. Cobra exhaust, slow on the road. Factory exhaust, fast on the highway. Cobra exhaust, fast on the highway. there you go, everybody. I hope this helps you decide whether you want to modify your exhaust or not. Don't forget, my exhaust's already been modified with a 1-inch hole saw, so I can't compare to the stock quite exactly, but you can hear a big difference. It's a high quality recording. Happy riding, everybody. Thanks for watching.